I'm going to show you exactly and teach you how to convert your sHOM, your regular ohm, into gOHM. So stay tuned. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to convert your regular ohm into gOHM, and we are going to walk step by step on doing that. But before we do, make sure to subscribe and show your love to this channel. I am trying to grow my subscriber base all the way to 10,000, so I appreciate your help if you subscribe and hit that notification button. So without further ado, let's go ahead. All right, so here we are right now at Olympus DAO website. Right now, you have about 2 months in order to migrate to V2 Olympus DAO. And basically what it is, you have to migrate your sHOM, your regular ohm, and convert it to gOHM. And I'm going to teach you exactly and show you also how to figure out the price and how to do it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So here it says you have to access ready. You have assets ready to migrate to V2. Olympus V2 introduced upgrade to on-chain governance and bonds to enhance decentralization and immutability. Decentralized. So pretty much what it is, it's leaving the actual sHOM in a state of rebasing every time, and then you get that rebase, increase the quantity. Now they are going to let that go, so your actual gOHM will stay always the same, the actual quantity, but the actual value of your gOHM will increase because the rebase will happen on the index, not on the quantity. I will show you exactly what I mean. So right now we need to approve the migration, about $14. All right, it's gonna take that, and now it's approved. It says it's pending. Let's wait for it. Being on Ethereum, this is what you get. Oh my god, I was about to do this video, by the way, but I had to wait a couple hours, get the last rebase, do my haircut meanwhile, and also come back. So I saw that this is a good moment to do this video and also show you exactly step by step. So meanwhile, we are waiting for the approval. It's been pending. Let's go to CoinMarketCap. Let's take a look at today's prices. ohm sits at $400. It went up for the day all the way to 536 and then dumped again. It's been on the downtrend for almost a month now. It went all the way down from 800 and actually all the way down from 937. So it's quite a trend downward. All right, so we got approved right here. As you can tell, it says you are now ready to migrate. Click on the migrate button to complete the upgrade to V2. Alrighty, been approved. All right, migrate now. As you can see here, I'm migrating my sHOM to gOHM. So I will be getting 0.0907. That's my gOHM. It's the equivalent, same amount in terms of the actual dollar. So migrate. It's gonna hit me with $40. It is what it is. Ethereum again. Could have actually saved a couple of bucks had I during the weekends. We would have probably saved some molas. But this is a tip for you. If you have anything in terms of gas fees, if you want to list your NFTs, if you want to do certain things that requires gas fees, especially on Ethereum, your best bet is like, during the weekends, afternoons or evenings. That's just a tip. You heard it here first. I probably heard it as well, but you heard it elsewhere, I'm pretty sure. But it's better to be reminded, right? Okay. Alrighty. I was like, and it's been pending. Now the migration complete, as you can tell. Now I have the assets. My assets already migrated. Migration complete. Now my asset pre-migration. This is the current balance post-migration. I mean, it already showed me for a split second, and that's fine. I mean, you can close it right now. We will refresh the page, and you need to go in order to see it. It's really here. Right here is your balance. As here, single staking, you have right now 0 ohm, sHOM, but this is the actual gOHM that I have, warp balance of 0.915. It's actually more than the one that I actually did just a couple of seconds ago. It was, if I'm not mistaken, 0.0907, and now it's a 0.0915. But yeah, that's pretty much it, as simple as that. Now let me show you exactly how to calculate your gOHM. So your gOHM price will increase, but the actual quantity will stay the same. So I always will be having this gOHM, which is 0.0915. The only thing that increases is the current index. So the rebase will happen on the actual index. So next time when you come back, this 47.1 will be increased, and so on and so forth. And how to figure out the price? So the price of gOHM, this is the price. It's the current index of gOHM multiplied by the price of ohm. So all what you need to do is just multiply a 400.84 right now, roughly. Let's call it $400. Multiply that by the current index, which is 47.16 ohm. You will end up with the current gOHM price. You got it? Simple. The current ohm price that you find on CoinMarketCap. You'll multiply that by the current index that is increasing because the rebase now it's happening on that one, right? You will have your gOHM price. So that's it for today. Thank you. If you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button. I highly appreciate your support to my channel, and see you in another video. Thank you so much.